Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we're back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, this is going to be like a little collective haul. I got some stuff from Marshalls, some stuff from Target, Amazon, and Sally's, and I think that's about it. So if you guys want to see what I got, then just keep on watching. So I got my little bag of goodies all in here. So I got some nail stuff from Amazon. I got this 10-pack of like Christmas nail foil or nail decals. They're super cute. They're really small, but again, that's good because this is just for Christmas, which should last me forever. The next thing I got is from Model Ones. It's a nail foil glue gel kit. It's a 2-pack of the nail glue. These work with a UV light, like the nail lamp, and they're both 15 mil, which is super good because this should last me a while as well. That's everything that I got as far as nail stuff. So I got this EOS like chapstick balm thing from Walmart. I don't remember how much it was, but I really like it. I've used this already and it is really hydrating, and the scent is like sweet mint, and I really like the color, so I'm probably just gonna throw this in my bag and keep it for like on the go. The next two products are from Marshalls. I found this Laura Geller Glow For It High Def Glow Illuminating Trio. That's what it looks like. It was $6.99, so when I saw this I was like, I need to grab it because I've been dying to try like Laura Geller's highlighters. So this is what the actual packaging looks like, similar to the carton, and it comes with a nice little mirror, and then it comes with 3 cute small highlighters. So I'm just going to swatch all 3 of them. They're really soft. That's what these swatches look like. They look pretty good. They do, one of them look a bit glittery, like the lightest one looks a bit glittery, but I can't wait to use these. So super happy that I found this. Okay, so the next product and the last product from Marshalls that I found is from Buxom. This is the Vava Plump Shiny Liquid Lipstick. I got it in the shade Russian to You, and I have used this already, and it's a really pretty color, and it's super pigmented. This is what the box looks like, and this is what the actual packaging looks like. It's super cute. It has like matte kisses or like matte lips on the cap, and then you can actually see the color through the tube where it says Buxom. And it is very pretty. It is very plumping as well. It's like a corally-ish pink. I really like to use these type of colors with a dark brown lip liner and place this in the center. And it looks like a really nice ombre, but this color is super pretty. And it smells really minty. So this definitely has some bomb plumping effects to it. So the next 2 products that I purchased are from Target. I did get a mascara. This is from Milani. This is their highly rated mascara. It's an extreme volume mascara in the color black, and this is what the packaging looks like. A. Marie raves about this mascara. Like when it first came out, she was using it, and I've been dying to try it, but I've never had the time to purchase it. But I finally got it, and I can't wait to use it because it makes her lashes look great. And then the next thing I got was the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I got mine in the shade Cashew. This is what it looks like. The bottle is like a matte bottle. Super cute packaging. And let's do a swatch to see if this is actually my shade. That's what the color looks like. I think it would be a pretty decent match, so I'm super excited to try this. Everyone who tries this foundation says that it's super great and like the coverage is nice, and it does look nice. As far as everyone who has tried it that I saw try it, does look nice and looks super good. Like it has nice coverage and it looks like a really nice finish, so I can't wait. And this is also a satin finish, so I'm super excited. to try this. It says it's oil free and the color cashew is medium with olive undertones, which I feel like that is me. So yeah, stay tuned for this. I might do a wear test for it, so yeah. So the next product I got from Sally's. I've been dying to try this product. It is the Collab Set the Stage Ultra Fine Loose Setting Powder. I got the color Sand / Beige because I don't really like translucent powders because I feel like they give me a white cast. I do like something with either a yellow banana undertone to it or something that looks like my actual skin tone, which is like medium. So I did get this. It is like $15. So it comes with the little poofy pad. I did open this because I wanted to take the sticker off, but this is what the color looks like, and I feel like this is gonna be super great to set my entire face with. So I'm super excited to try this, and I got this based off of A-Marie again and Juicy Jazz, but mainly Juicy Jazz because she raves about this along with like the Hailey's powder. But before the Hailey's powder, she would rave about this loose setting powder, so I can't wait to freaking try it. The next 3 products I purchased off of Amazon. So the first thing is from Physicians Formula. This is the Butter Highlighter in Champagne. This is how it came in the packaging, super cute. And I got this for like less than $4 off of Amazon. And you know, Physicians Formula is super expensive in the drugstore. So this is what it looks like outside of the box. Super cute. Again, this is in the shade Champagne. This is their Maru Butter Highlighter. If I could get it open, that'd be great. So like the print on this is super pretty. It looks like waves kind of. So let's just do a little whoa. That is like freaking butter. Like, oh, look at that. Wow. I don't want to waste any of this, so I'll just put the rest on my nose. Like, this is really, really pretty. I can't wait to use this on my face. I'm so happy I got this. This was the last one in stock when I purchased it, so super excited for this. So the next product that I got from Amazon is a concealer. This is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop contour concealer in the shade. I got the shade Medium Olive because, again, that is my undertone, I think. So this is what it looks like. This isn't new, but it's new to me. And I haven't really seen that many reviews on it, so let's just see the color. It is very creamy. The applicator is like super unique. It's like slanted, but it looks like a weirdly shaped doe foot. Like I've never seen a shape like that on a concealer wand. Again, this color looks like it'll work for me. It doesn't look too light and it's not too dark. So that's what it looks like blended out. The coverage looks pretty decent. I can't really say that it's going to be full or medium, but hopefully it is full coverage because I love me a good, affordable, full coverage concealer. The last product that I got is from Touch in Sol, and yes, this was on Amazon for like 18 or 15 bucks if I'm not mistaken. I would try to leave the prices on the screen for everything that I mentioned. So it is the No Problem Primer. This is a smooth and pore covering primer from Touch in Sol. This is what it looks like. Again, I can't believe this was on Amazon. I remember I've been dying to try this ever since I missed the opportunity to get it in my BoxyCharm. So when I saw this, I was like, I'm getting it like right now. So this is what it looks like. Again, I feel like when I watch people use stuff on YouTube, it looks so much bigger than when you get it in person because this is like, this fits in my hand. Super cute packaging. It's like a pink toned primer. The bottle is like a matte bottle. Again, it comes with a pump. I'm super stoked to use this primer. I can't wait. So that is everything that I purchased from everywhere. So if you guys enjoyed the video, drop a thumbs up. If you have any questions about anything that I showed in the video, drop them down below and I will of course get back to you like ASAP. Before you go, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Rose family. Also turn on the notifications so that you guys can stay notified every time I upload. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you guys are. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!